The liver is one of the body's primary organs. It is in charge of removing the poisons we consume through food, alcohol, medications, and the goods we use on a regular basis. That is why liver detox is vital, especially if you want to reduce weight. Did you know that eating the appropriate meals is crucial to maintaining the health of your liver? Famous detox drinks and propolis are two good examples. Avoid alcohol and fried or processed meals if you want to detox, lose weight, or cleanse your liver, rich in preservatives and additives. Because these activities put undue strain on the organ, let's look at 4 beverages that might help you cleanse your liver and lose weight. These 4 beverages should be had before going to bed. Traditional Chinese medicine claims that the liver functions best during the hours of 1-3 a.m. The drinks may provide all of the nutrients required for a thorough liver cleansing. This makes it easier to lose weight. You'll need 1 lemon and 7 ounces of water to prepare it. Warm the water without boiling it, then squeeze in the lemon. Drink it half an hour before bedtime for 3 weeks. Drinking peppermint tea, which is beneficial for digestion, is another approach to cleanse the liver at night. If you enjoy peppermint, try these recipes. Add 2 teaspoons peppermint leaves to 8.5 ounces of boiled water. Allow 10 minutes for it to steep, then drain and consume 30 minutes before bedtime. Do it every night for 3 weeks. Why not try ginger and lemon tea while we're on the subject of tea? Have you tried this pairing before? When these 2 substances are combined, they help us lose weight and enhance our overall health. To make this tea, you will need a piece of ginger of approximately 2 inches, 1 lemon, and 8.5 ounces of water. Boil the water and add the ginger piece and lemon juice freshly squeezed. Let the tea infuse for 10 minutes. Drink at least 3 times a week for 30 days. Chamomile tea is another liver cleansing drink. Its antioxidant characteristics make it beneficial for liver cleaning. Bring 8.5 ounces of water to a boil, then remove from the heat and stir in half a teaspoon of chamomile flowers. Allow 10 minutes before straining and drinking. For 2 weeks, repeat the method every night. Now that you've learned about these 4 beverages, experiment with them to find which one works best for you.